Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Siracha BBQ turkey sandwich. First thing we got to do is make the Siracha barbecue sauce, which can be done by adding 2 cups of ketchup to a pot, followed by a half a cup of molasses. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, followed by 3 big tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce, or however you pronounce it, the unpronounceable sauce. And then we're going to follow that up with 4 tablespoons of sriracha. You can add more if you'd like it a little bit spicier. And then we're going to grab a teaspoon of garlic powder. Followed by a teaspoon of onion powder. Last but not least, we're going to top it off with 2 teaspoons of paprika. Then you want to grab a whisk and whisk everything together. And then you just want to put this on a medium low to medium heat, and you want to simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then take the pot off the heat and allow it to cool before transferring to bottles. Okay, as you can see here, I've got some sub rolls that I've lightly toasted in a 400-degree oven. Again, you just want the toasting process to start because, again, they're going to have to go back into the oven. And I'm adding some mayonnaise to each one of these sub roll halves. And then we're going to add some turkey. This is peppered turkey to be specific, but any turkey will do. So add turkey to each one of these as well. And then to 1/2, you want to add some bacon, because Lord knows bacon makes everything better. And then we want to start adding some cheese. And this here is a little old bit of Swiss to 1/2. And then to the other half, we're going to add some Gouda. And then we're going to pop this back into the 400-degree oven. And we're going to go just till the cheese melts. So somewhere between 5-10 minutes, depending on your oven. This was a bit of a screw up on my part. Camera. I forgot to hit record. Basically, I squirted the one side with that Sriracha barbecue sauce we made. Added some shredders. And then just put the sandwiches together. And that's it. A Sriracha barbecue turkey sandwich. Done.